Hey guys, it's Dave. The next assignment is the one's due tomorrow. In case anybody's having trouble, it's the name logo assignment, and this one shouldn't give you that hard of a time. What I'm gonna do is show you guys kind of what I'm expecting. Not too hard. Basically, you're just gonna type out your name and try to arrange it so it looks kind of like a logo. You know that I could do like a D, and then I'm going to make another D, okay, and I could put these down next to each other. Let me make these a little bit bigger so you can actually see. There's a D, and there's a D. I'll make that one a little bit bigger. There we go. See, now they're looking cool. See, look, it's a logo. And then you just type your name out somewhere. Smaller size, of course. You David Danforth. And you'd put it like here. Maybe put a return after it. And you're going to do 6 different versions of this and just kind of mess around with it a little bit. Use some different fonts, different colors. One thing I kind of want you guys to see is try to start understanding is that, let me hide this real quick. See these D's right here? We always look at them as, oh, that's a letter. Well, really it's just a shape. It's a shape that we have learned is now the letter D. So you can actually play around with these a little bit. Let me make a copy of this one, and I'm going to use the transform tool. I'm going to turn it completely upside down, and I'm going to put it next to each other like this. And see, now your D has actually become something that really doesn't look like a D anymore, you know. And you can make another copy of it if you want to. Whoops. Let's go back and flip this back over again. So even us instructors mess up sometimes. And I'll make a copy of it, transform it, turn it up like this, hit return, put that like right there, okay, maybe inside of it, something like that. You know, so you can kind of actually make a cool looking shape just using the D itself. You know, you put that like that, and now I've got this kind of cool looking symbol that you can make for something. It doesn't even look like a 4Ds anymore. It kind of looks like some sort of Scottish symbol or something like that. I don't know. But the more you start playing around with fonts, the more you realize that they're more than just a way to spell things. Type itself is just, it's just symbols, it's just shapes formed into a certain way, and we've been taught it's the alphabet. So go download some cool fonts, play around with your text, use your initials, mess around with them, do some cool stuff. I'm going to upload another video, guys, here real quick too after this about a free kind of online version of Photoshop where you can play around and type and do stuff, kind of what I'm doing right now. And when you're done with it, just remember, go ahead and do a save as, and just save it as a JPEG, okay? Save it as a JPEG, or you can do a PDF. You know, either one I'll be able to read. You know, that way smaller file size, okay? Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. Have some fun with the text, do some different things, different colors, different fonts, and then just send me your results. I think the assignment called for 6 different ways to mess around with your text a little bit. Okay, thanks guys.